Hello, today we are going to train your English voice to use may and might in sentences. We usually use may and might when we want to talk about something that is possible. So have a look at the sentence structure. We have the subject, I, you, or third person, he, she, it, may or might, followed by the verb be, going, seeing, watch, listen, etc. And we know that if we want to make a sentence negative, we add the word not. So if we want to have a negative sentence, we would have subject, may or might, not, followed by the verb. So have a look at sentence example 1. I may buy some tickets today. Subject I, followed by may, followed by the verb. Another example, I may be going to a concert next weekend. Subject, may, verbs be, going. Let's have a look at the negative sentence example. I might not buy some tickets today. Subject I, followed by might, not. Not makes it negative, followed by the verb buy. To use may and might in the past tense, we add have to the sentence. So have a look at the sentence structure. We have subject, may or might, not if it is negative, then the word have, and then the past participle, been, gone, watched, etc. So have a look at sentence example 1. They may not have bought some tickets today. Subject they, followed by may, not, because it is a negative, followed by have, because it is a past tense sentence, and then the verb, bought. Now have a look at sentence 2. They might not have bought some tickets today. Do you see that may and might can be used interchangeably? Both those sentences are correct. Okay. They is the subject. Now we used might, not makes it negative, and because it is past tense, we have the word have followed by bought. Excellent job using may and might today. Well done. Goodbye.